I am the self-centered boob.
My burger! Gee, looks a little rare.
Don't be a booby, Launchpad. It's just ants.
Well, they're stealing my burger. Gotcha! Hey, let go! It's mine!
So, it makes me feel so hungry.
Hey, me too! Hungry for
Hamburger Hippo! When you're hungry, don't be a hippo. Truck on down to the sign of the hippo.
Hey!
Order, order.
I'll have a burger and fries. La 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 la. Hey, la 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 la. Hey, la 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 la. Be careful.
This is a switch. It's usually the girls chasing me.
I am the self-centered boob.
Forget the booby. Look, I'm sorry. I'll find you another booby.
Starlight, Starbright.
This isn't going to work. Sure it will, Mr. McD. Just try to walk a little more like a Viking. Easy there, Mr. McD. These are primitive minds here. Tiny little minds filled with fear and ignorance. Brains unable to hold a single train of thought. Yeah, what was my point?
What did he say?
Oh.
You sure are smart.
What? After I nearly killed myself for your grand opening? Random shit! How can you leave me after all we've been through together?